run batch files for the corresponding language. And the free tool software, YHTool V3.0 enters the main interface. For example, run YHTool English BAT in English, as shown in the above figure. Please note that the light blue background is for online help. Online help tells users how to use the free tool software YHTool. Please note that batch files for 22 languages are provided in the bottom right corner. In the main interface, click Login to enter the login interface. Then click on Configure to enter the configuration interface. In the configuration interface, the free tool software YHTool provides another way to dynamically change the language of all interfaces. Batch file, used to launch the free tool software YHTool. In the configuration interface, it is possible to dynamically set it to a more suitable language to display all interfaces. For example, online help with a light blue background. Choose a suitable language to better assist engineers in quickly improving their technical skills. The free tool software YHTool digs down the interpretation process to the original real-time online detection data. For each interpretation process, the free tool software YHTool provides an inference process based on the medical record or case of the electronic Jacquard machine, so as to help engineers quickly improve their technical level. Please refer to the relevant video of the interpretation process for details. Therefore, choosing a suitable language is important. The configuration in the above figure lists 3 configurations, including A. Mechanical structure, including cam, sprocket, gear, other structures. The default is other structures, which means there is no setting. B. Power supply for modules, including SMPS and transformers. B1. The characteristic of SMPS is stable output voltage, usually with less ripple voltage. Once the ripple voltage is found to be too high or the maximum voltage is too high, it may be a short circuit in the load, a certain electromagnet in a module, or a local short circuit. B2. The characteristics of transformers are increased ripple voltage, solid and durable. B3. The default is SMPS, indicating that it is not set. B4. Regardless of the type of power supply, please pay attention to the minimum voltage. When the minimum voltage is less than the minimum voltage allowed by the module, it will cause fabric errors. For example, the minimum voltage of Stogle's original modules is 12 volts. The minimum voltage for SS series modules is between 10.5 volts and 11 volts. Please refer to the technical specifications provided by the module supplier for details. C. The type of CL cards, including single chip, dual chip, triple chip. C1. Please do not use the single chip CL cards, because it will cause random fabric errors. It is difficult to distinguish between module issues and other issues, electrical or mechanical. C2. The dual-chip CL cards generates heat on its own and is not suitable for environments with high temperatures. C3. It is recommended to use 3-chip CL cards, specially designed for environments with high temperatures. Does not generate heat on its own. When there is an error in the fabric, distinguish between module or electrical issues. Using FC18 connectors, 2 wires transmit one signal without locking CL cards, reducing the total cost of electronic Jacquard machines, etc. C4. The default is 3-chip driver board, indicating that it is not set. The current configuration has a lifespan until the next configuration change. When the mechanical structure is set to other structures, it means that the electronic Jacquard machine in the weaving factory is customized. Stubbly uses a cam, which has been validated in the Chinese market and is currently the best choice for Chinese weaving factories. The electronic Jacquard machines of the SS series used sprockets, and have also been validated in the Chinese market. Currently, they have the largest market share in China. The electronic Jacquard machine with a gear structure is divided into 2 parts, those for the Chinese market and those outside of China. The electronic Jacquard machine with a gear structure in the Chinese market, similar to a cam, immerses the gears in a close lubricating oil space to meet high-speed running. For electronic Jacquard machines with gear structures in markets outside of China, due to cost considerations, the gears were not immersed in the close lubricating oil space, suitable for low-speed running. We welcome this kind of innovation from weaving factories. We are willing to provide free technical support. At the same time, we learn from the engineers in the weaving factory. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.